as engineers, you have to drill holes. Now, MA Ford have joined us. Nick, thanks for joining us in the studio. But we're going to talk about their drilling applications. But tell me the background.
Well, good to be here, Mark. Yeah, MA Ford really over the years, I mean, we've been manufacturing cutting tools for almost 100 years. Clearly I wasn't there back then.
I would hope not.
No. So, and MA Ford has always been somewhat of a pioneer when it comes to drills. Back in the 60s when the computer revolution was started, MA Ford were heavily involved with IBM, manufacturing printed circuit board drills. So they've always been considered as a pioneer in that field. We're not really in the printed circuit board drilling market now, because obviously there's a lot of high quality, very, very low cost drills that come into the market. So we don't focus in that area anymore. Where we do focus is, as we do with our end mills, is we try to offer a complete solution for all the materials from one drill. With our end mills, we have end mills which can machine everything from mild steel to Inconel. Yeah, the same principle relates to the drills. Here on my right here, these are our new range of CXD drills. These, as with any cutting tool manufacturer, all of our products, they go through an evolution. You get to a point where you think, okay, that drill works, but we need something better.
Yeah.
And the CXD is a natural transition from our previous drill, which is still available and still selling, but this is like the next generation on. New geometry, low thrust point, so very, very quick engagement into the hole. Double margin drills, which helps to stabilise the drill, keep it going in a straight line, and also helps the surface finish in the hole. But the drills we show here, we have a 3 times diameter drill, 5 times diameter drill, and an 8 times diameter drill. And these drills here will drill anything from mild steel to Inconel, titanium, or we change the cutting data, very similar to what we do with our end mill program. So instead of having to have 2 or 3 different drills to machine the different materials, we can do it all with one. And we are doing that. We have customers that drill stainless steel, titanium and Inconel on a daily basis, and they're using the same drill to drill all 3 materials. In fact, one of my colleagues did a test on some Manel last week, so that's another one that it will machine. So the drill is very versatile. And as our strapline says, high performance is the standard, and that goes for anything, whether it's an end mill or a drill. That's what we always try and achieve. And again, price performance ratio is there. It's not the cheapest drill on the market. It's not the most expensive. It's sat somewhere in the middle. But if people want a performance drill on difficult materials, then this drill is certainly up to the task.
And I also see that you've got solid and flute as well.
Yeah, I mean we offer solid versions and internal coolant. Really, it depends on the machine. Some machines will have through coolant fitted as standard, some won't. What I would say is, if you're trying to drill deep holes in Inconel, through coolant is certainly an advantage. We can do it with a solid one, but it's always less difficult when you've got coolant coming through the centre of the drill.
So would you say these drills are quite, it's obviously quite a universal solution, isn't it?
Absolutely, and I think that's really our ethos that it's always been. We try and offer a range of products which will cover a wide range of materials, rather than having to use 2 or 3 different types of drill. We try and keep it all to one, and we are successful doing that. Yeah. But some guy that's drilling 10 holes in a piece of mild steel, that's not really the market for this drill. It is a high-end, high-performance drill. So our customers who are drilling the difficult materials, this is the kind of drill they'd be looking to use.
And this is standard product, is it?
Yeah, all from stock. 3 millimeters to 12 millimeters in 0.1 increments. They're all on stock. We have extensive stocks in Derby. 1.2 million pounds worth.
So you're manufacturing in the UK with these?
No, this particular drill, or both of these drills I'm showing you, these are all manufactured in our US factory.
Right, okay.
They have all the drill production equipment. In Leeds, we pretty much focus on our Leeds facility. We pretty much focus on the end mills. Yeah. But in the US, they've obviously got a lot of machines for, grinding the blanks down to get the diameters. So they're a lot more geared up for making the drills. So
the drills on your left-hand side, they're for lighter materials, are they?
Yeah, I mean, this is the new CDA. So we have the CDX and the CDA. CDA is for the aluminium.
Yeah.
Again, the geometry is based very much on the CXD drill. So it's a low thrust point, double margin with a quick engaging rear margin. So when we actually get into the hole, it gets stabilised very quickly. As you'll notice, they're all very shiny on the flutes, so they're all polished. So we have polished flutes. The main aim of that is to obviously when the chip is coming up the flute, the less resistance it has coming up the flute, the quicker it comes out. So it's all about chip evacuation. The double margins, as with the CXD, the double margin helps us to create a very, very good surface finish in the hole, almost to a reaming standard.
Now, with a lot of MA4 products, I've spoken to customers in yours of the past, and one thing I would actually say is they're using a range of your tools. They will try something new when you actually launch it, but tell the audience or tell me why, if I'm not using MA4's tooling, why I should try.
A bit of a loaded question. No, I mean generally our customers that use our end mills, you know, if we bring out a new drill, they will feel confident in trying it because they know that we're not going to bring out a product and put our name to it if we don't think it's fit for purpose. So a lot of our customers will engage with the new products we launch purely because it's got our brand on it. Customers who are machine or drilling the difficult materials, you know, please, you know, call us. We're happy to do a free test. We'll come and test the drill and prove, hopefully, that our drill will do a better job.
Well, that's good information. Thanks, Nick. Well, any engineers out there that want to try any of the portfolio of MA4, please contact them with the details on the screen.